We are pleased to show you the 2016 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, cloth seat trim, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. Come take a test drive today.